Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. I would like to welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 13. Today's rubric is Absorbed, Buried in Thoughts. What is meant by absorbed? Absorbed means intensely engaged or engrossed in thoughts, or it is the mind is directed towards the one problem, fixed in one thoughts, very interested in something and not paying attention to anything else, having one's intention fully engaged or greatly interested. This is the meaning of absorbed. The Hindi meaning of absorbed is डूबा हुआ, लीन हुआ, किसी विषय, काम आदि में अपनी सारी ध्यान लगाना, तल्लीन हो जाना. दिस इज हिंदी मीनिंग. देन मराठी मीनिंग इज गर्क झालेला, तल्लीन झालेला, तीव्रपणे विचारात गर्क झालेला. दिस इज मराठी मीनिंग ऑफ absorbed. Now we will see the remedies for the absorbed. First is apis mellifica, calcarea sulf, dulcamera, ferrum phos, fluoric acid, helleborus, mesoryum, muriatic acid, natrum sulf, nux vomica, petroleum, sulfur, arnica, capsicum, coca, natramur, nux vomica, opium, then surinum, pulsatilla, rustox, ruta, and spigelia. So these are the number of remedies for the absorbed. Now we will see some of the differentiating remedies of absorbed. First is apis mellifica. Apis mellifica has got absorbed alternating with frivolity. Frivolity means not seriousness, or uh, absorbed apis mellifica is absorbed business matter in or family matters in. This is apis mellifica. Then calcareous sulf. Calcareous sulf has absorbed misfortune, images of. Then dulcamera. Dulcamera has absorbed family matters in or spoken to he seems absorbed as if walking in dreams land. Then ferrum. Ferrum is absorbed business matter in and concentrate on inner world wants to be. This is ferrum. Fluoric acid. Fluoric acid absorbed in sexual desire in the fulfillment of ease. Then muriatic acid. Muriatic is absorbed during menses and when concentrated on the inner world wants to be. This is muriatic acid. Then natrum sulf. Natrum sulf absorbed business matter in and concentration on the inner world wants to be. This is natrum sulf. Then nux vomica. Nux vomica absorbed business matters in, spoken to he seems absorbed as if walking in a dreams when, or concentrated on inner words wants to be. This is nux vomica. Surinum. Surinum absorbed horrible thoughts in and concentrate on inner world wants to be. This is surinum. Then ruta. Ruta absorb future about and concentrate on inner world wants to be. This is ruta. Then spigelia. Spigelia absorb future about. So these are the some of the differentiating remedies for the absorbed. Now we'll see the one by one the cross references for the absorbed. The first cross reference is absent mindedness. What is meant by absent mindedness? Absent mindedness means forgetfulness and inattentive in his surrounding. There is no fixation of mind at all. Absent-minded often forget the things or does not pay any attention to what is happening near them because they are thinking about the other things. This is absent-mindedness. Then abstraction of mind. Abstraction of mind means it is the inattention of mind. Absence of mind may perform all their duties but forgets everything, that is preoccupied or getting away from real subject. Thoughts stray away and dwells on some other subject, having no concern with the present subject. Patient is deeply engrossed into some thoughts while he is working, or people who are not doing anything and still he don't respond to the ordinary calls, although he has no other thoughts in his mind. He may talk and communicate, but he is very much in his own world, far less able to attend to things of all the present moment. This is all, that is the abstraction of mind. Then next cross reference, it is brooding. Brooding means to think deeply, anxiously, thoughtful, with emotional distress, engaged in or showing deep thought about something that makes one sad, angry, or worried. Thinking deeply and seriously about something, especially something that is making them unhappy. That is brooding. Then next cross reference, dreams as if in fancies reflecting. What is meant by dreams? Dreams is a serious thought, images and sensation occurring in a person's mind during sleep. This is dreams. Then dwells on past disagreeable occurrence. What is meant by dwells? Dwells means constantly occupied with the thoughts of disagreeable occurrences. The next cross reference, fancies absorbing. Fancies means it is a flight of imagination or daydreaming, inclination to absorb in one particular type of thoughts or something as an internal desire without any reasoning, or it is an imagination, especially creative imagination. A fancy is a liking or a desire for someone or something, especially when that does not last long. Mind forms images or representation of things at pleasure. This is fancies. Then forgetfulness. Forgetfulness means it is a failure to remember, having a poor memory, failing to keep in mind. This becomes people becomes non-attentive, or they forget the things because of the emotions. So what emotion makes them so? It can be fear, sadness, anger, grief, or anything. This is forgetfulness. Then next cross reference is frown disposed to. Frown means it is a contraction of one's brows in an expression indicating disapproval, displeasure, or concentration. This is frown, or it is a frown is a facial expression in which the eyebrows are brought together and the forehead is wrinkled, usually indicating displeasure, sadness, worry, or less often confusion or concentration. This is frown disposed to. Then introspection. Introspection means it is a careful examination of one's own thoughts and feeling, examining and considering your own ideas, thoughts, and feeling instead of talking to the other people's about them. This is introspection. Then meditating. Meditating means it is the practice of thinking deeply in a silence, especially for a religious reason or in order to make your mind calm. Observe in a own thoughts, uh, or a special exercise consisting in a deep continued reflection or on a religious theme. It is the process of quieting the mind in order to spend time in thoughts for relaxation or religious or spiritual purpose. This is meditating. The next cross reference is plans, making many plans. Plans means it is a having the will and intention to carry out some action. That is plans. The next cross reference, seats, inclination to sit, mediates, and the next cross reference, seats, inclination to sit wrapped in a deep. That is the non-moving or wrapped deeply devoted to. Then theorizing. Theorizing means to suggest facts and ideas to explain something, or it is a tendency to make theories in which in such a way that it is not practically possible. This is theorizing. Then thoughts. Thoughts persistent. Thoughts means it is an idea, notion, or it is an idea or opinion produced by thinking or occurring suddenly in the mind, or the action or process of thinking. That is thoughts persistent. Then unobserving. Unobserving means it is a lack of power of observation, hence to fail to observe important happenings around them. Inattentive or unobserving means not observing, not noticing, or not perceiving. This is unobserving. Then last cross reference is face expression vacant. So these are all the cross reference about the absorb. Then what is the miasm of absorb? Miasm is, it may be sora, psychosis, or syphilis. Then what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of absorb? The first is organic mental disorder, second is withdrawn catatonic schizophrenia, and third is depressive illness. So these are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of absorb. So this is all about the absorb in short. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share with your friends. We will meet in the next episode with the new rubrics. Till then, thank you.